After F, the next letter is G. G sounds G. G sounds G. G is for guava. G, G, guava.
G for guava. G, G, guava.
G is for goat. G, G, goat.
G for goat. G, G, goat.
G for guitar. G, G, guitar.
G for guitar. G, G, guitar.
G is for gift. G, G, gift.
G for gift. G, G, gift.
G for glass. G, G, glass.
G for glass. G, G, glass.
G is for glue. G, G, glue.
G for glue. G, G, glue.
G is for girl. G, G, girl.
G for girl. G, G, girl.
G is for grapes. G, G, grapes.
G for grapes. G, G, grapes.
G is for grass. G, G, grass.
G for grass. G, G, G.